Hi, today I am going to create a logo design for Steel and Iron Manufacturing Company. The company name is Sani Alloy Limited. The logo brief is short and I am free to try any kind of design and color combination. Here I got some logos of top brands in this field. As you can see, most of these logos were created a long time ago and many of them have gone out of date. My target here will be to create a timeless logo while also maintaining the industry standard. Let's move on to Illustrator. Here I will select the rectangle tool and drag it across the board and create a white background. I will lock the background, press Ctrl+2 to lock any object while it is selected. I will select the polygon tool, single-click on the artboard, and give it a value of 100 pixels with 3 sides. For now, I will give it a black color. Again, I will single-click on the artboard, but this time I will divide the 100 pixels by 1.61. Now, if you're wondering why I am dividing the pixels with this value, it is called the golden ratio method. You can search for it on the internet to know more about it. I will also cover this topic soon, so stay tuned. Truth be told, I am not a big fan of this golden ratio thing, although many big to small designers are really fond of it and often use it to create designs. Here I have created 3 triangles. I will select all of them and align them to the left side using the alignment options. Now, selecting all of them, I will take the Shape Builder tool to delete this part of the shapes. This will be the logo mark. Now I will select a suitable font to write the company name. This name is too long. To create a hierarchy, I will keep the first part of the name and give this a bold and big look. I will copy it and type the other part of the name. Here I again tried the golden ratio method. I will give this part medium size. I will resize both to 100 pixels, then I will adjust them. Here I have tried the golden ratio method. This time things didn't work out the way I intended. So I have to resize it the regular way. After a few adjustments, everything looks fine. I will drag this outside and create a copy. Now it's time to give them some colors. I will make multiple copies of them and try out some colors. Select all the objects, hold Alt, then drag to make a copy. Press Ctrl+D to repeat the process. The blue one I used first is the best fit for this logo. I will drag this outside and make a copy of it. Again, to make copies, just select the objects, hold Alt, and drag. Here I will make a vertical and a horizontal version of the logo. The design is complete. Time for the presentation. Here I have shown how the logo mark represents the initial 2 letters of the logo. And here are some logo mockups.